Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how to brighten your face in Snapseed. Snapseed offers a couple of effective ways to brighten your face in a photo while maintaining a natural look. So here is how you can do it in two different methods. Method 1 is to use Tune Image. First of all, open the Snapseed application and tap the plus button and import an image of your choice. Once you select an image on the preview page, tap the Tools button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Tune Image at the top left of the menu. Now go ahead and increase the brightness by swiping right or left on the middle of the screen and select your desired brightness effect. Be subtle to avoid an unnatural look. Go to the bottom and tap on this little slider-like icon, and you can also go ahead and increase or decrease the contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadow, and warmth effects as well. After you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right in order to save the changes on your image. Another method you can increase the brightness on your photo is by utilizing the Face Spotlight option. Go to the bottom and tap on the Tools option once again, and scroll down and tap on Portrait. This method will work best for photos taken in portrait mode on iPhones or phones with similar depth sensing features. Now once you get to this page, tap on this little slider at the bottom and increase or decrease the Face Spotlight feature. This tool will automatically brighten the face and darkens the background to enhance the subject. You can also try skin smoothing or eye clarity effects as well in order to get better results. By combining these techniques, you will be able to effectively brighten your face in Snapseed while achieving a natural and pleasing result. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.